So, Mr. Baker, it seems you've had some problems in your classroom.
Yes, well, you know how these students are.
I see. Well, can you describe what happened in your class?
Well, sure. It all went like this. Good afternoon, class. Sit back in your desk. It's officially time to put class into session. Don't ask any questions.
Man, I know this class finna suck.
Shut up and listen, cause this is the syllabus. I've been a teacher since '83. None of you kiddies gon' play with me. Raise up your hand if there's something to say to me. I do not care if you fail. I'm just paid to teach.
Teach, I have to use the bathroom.
Shut the heck up. You fail if you don't get 101.
That doesn't make sense.
I don't give a What, you haven't heard curses before? Grow up and quit being a child. If you screw up, then you're running a mile.
Mr. Baker, you're fired.
Phantom.